Hello moms! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use a manual, no electric breast pump, step by step. This pump is simple, portable, and perfect for home or travel. Step 1. Show the pump. This is a manual breast pump. It does not need electricity or batteries, which makes it very easy to use anytime, anywhere. Before using, make sure all parts are clean and properly assembled. Step 2. Assembling. First, attach the bottle to the pump. Then connect the flange and make sure everything fits tightly. Proper assembly helps prevent leakage and ensures comfort. Step 3. How to use. Hold the pump gently against your breast and create a comfortable seal. Now, slowly press the handle. Use a steady rhythm and avoid pressing too hard. This helps milk flow naturally and comfortably. Step 4. Milk collection. You can see the milk collecting directly in the bottle. Take short breaks if needed and stay relaxed. Comfort is very important while pumping. Tips for new moms. Always wash the pump after use and store milk safely. This manual pump is great for new moms, travel, and emergency use. Ending.